What's up, YouTube? It's been a day over here at Stock Method. I'm up 10% for the day, and we had several live plays called out. You're about to watch it live right now.
Oh,
So we're back to your NQ zone.
Yeah, so I touch our bottom of our zone.
Bro, I don't like how Tesla's not coming down with everything else.
Shows how strong that shit is. Qs are down at 1.2. That's crazy.
I kind of like 127 on Google.
Bro, why about to break 420 again?
Yeah. Scalp.
Oh, watch Tesla. Fuck Tesla. Yeah. There comes Tesla, yeah. Tesla's bouncing. Bro, I thought I almost missed.
Yeah, dude, I had a heart
Oh my
attack just now.
gosh.
Under pre-market low again.
Watch
Oh my
it.
God.
What contracts y'all going with? 210s or 215s?
I think 215s.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, 210s are cheap.
That Phillies loss yesterday was crazy. Like, even though I made money, I'm so glad I bet against the other team. Because, like, if I lost money and the Phillies lost, I would have been so mad.
That was so clutch, bro.
It was so clutch. Because now, like, my feelings were, like, break even. Like I didn't know what to feel. And it's like, bro, I don't, like, this is weird. Because I made money, but the Phillies lost. So it's like, I need to start doing that.
I could have got some more out of that play. Here's the why. We're at close right now. Look at that tape going crazy. That's why we like DAS. Look at that. That's amazing. All right, so I'm real happy with my entry on this play. My first trim, though, was pretty weak, honestly. We had all kinds of momentum going to the downside here. We broke also Landers' NQ zone that we had. That's what got me in. We're also here pre-market low right here and low a day for SPYs. So it was a nice setup right there when we got that reaction with H on the way down. Good momentum, got me in. Really happy with that entry. Problem is, though, I trimmed right here at this 421. We had all kinds of momentum. We got the break, and I trimmed as soon as we broke, like right in these high 90s. And it's kind of embarrassing to show, honestly, but I wanted to showcase it just to show where you shouldn't be trimming. There was so much momentum right there. I don't know, I just got a little trigger happy. We had a nice move already, so I wanted to trim, but it really was only like 7%. So, and with that velocity coming down like that, after we got that break of Landers zone especially, there was no reason to really trim there. I could have just held out for a little bit more and then got this flush. Good thing is, though, I only trimmed 25% right there, so that's all right. And then we got down here, I stayed patient, didn't trim right here on this break. Wanted to try to get more. This is yesterday low. But then once we were just holding here, just went all out right there. Yeah, if I would have trimmed, would have got more. But I just went all out after this big move that we had here, sitting here yesterday low like that. I was just out. I'm cool with that. 20% on the all out, 75% of the full position at 20%. That's fine. I'll take that. Even though it flushed down, no worries. I ended up taking 4 trades today, actually. I turned off my recording after this, though. I thought I was going to be done for the day. I ended up going 3 wins, 1 break even. That break even, I'll explain here in a minute. This 420 break we had on watch, but the way we came down, there was no business in me getting in right here. Honestly, I fat fingered the shit out of this. I had rest my finger on the wheel normally on the mouse, but I had my finger on the trigger right here, and this thing flashed. Like, we were up here, and this thing just rocketed. Honestly, I just had a knee-jerk reaction, and I clicked by. Totally didn't mean to. Honestly, I wish I had it recorded, but as soon as I clicked it, I even said that I fat fingered my way into this play, and I was ready to get out. But we were moving, so I was up like 5% instantly, but I set my stop loss break even button immediately. I wasn't going to take any loss on this. I shouldn't even have been in there, honestly. It worked out. Like, yeah, that's great and all, but there's no way I should have been in there. No one else in the Discord took it for the most part. Lander didn't take it. Not the way it came down like this. Like, you just can't get in after some shit like this. I mean, yeah, it worked out, but it's a bad win. That's how I marked it down on my trader sync. I'm not going to try to make this kind of a habit. You don't want to buy shit when it's extended like this. You just don't want to do it. It's an example of what not to do. I really wish I had that recorded. But I took the trims, trimmed on these pushes down here, and then I went all out break even back up here. And that's what that play was. Third and fourth play of the day, way over here at 12.10. Usually we're not trading after the first 2 hours, but since we were getting down here to this 4.19, I jumped back on. And we got this reaction right here, made 4.19 even look even better. Then we had this green to red, looked real good. And as we were flushing with this candle, I got in just before the break. Really nice entry, happy with that. I got super greedy down here. I think it was like 15 or so percent. I just thought we were gonna get more out of it. It just felt like we were gonna get more. And then it just hit a wall and shot right back up. So I just took my break even. The way the velocity was coming up here, I wasn't gonna mess with it. I would have got stopped out up here anyway if I didn't get out. So that's a good out, but I definitely should have trimmed down here. Just got really greedy, you know, up over 10%. Break even's better than taking a 10% loss. Lander caught this nice reversal live on the mic here, this 4.19. I didn't want to chase, so I wanted to wait for an entry. So we got up here right around this 30 level right here. Looked like a good spot. And once we got this red to green, we got this nice push up, trimmed on the way. I went all out right here at this new high in this area right here. That was 14%. And then I had some runners that went back to break even. That was it for the day. I just couldn't help myself to take 2 more trades with Lander at the helm like that. If you want to live trade with us, a stock method, link in description. We'll catch you guys tomorrow.